Hello guys, today I've got OPN Sound Swym Plus headphones and I'm going to show you how to charge them. It is actually quite easy. The first thing that you need to do is preparing your cable. It looks exactly like this. This is with this 4 contacts and magnets port and USB type A. The first part of the cable, this USB type A1, you need to plug it into your power brick. Now the second one into your headphones, right over here into the charging port, charging contacts actually. And here we've got this green light, which means that our headphones are now charging. I actually can't show it to you like, oh, I can. For a moment I could show you this in a closer look, because I've got this cable is actually quite short, so yeah, but that's how it works. Bye!